Welcome to the 10th part of Hypnosis Learning Program. In the previous video, we understood about the types of induction. If you haven't watched that video yet, then please make sure to watch. Today we'll talk about focus induction, relaxation induction and deepeners and understand how these are used in hypnosis. So first of all, what is focus induction? In focus induction, a person's attention is directed and concentrated on one specific point. First, ask the person to sit comfortably, then ask them to look at a point slightly above their eye level. For example, just keep looking at that point in front of you. Keep your focus only on that point. Slowly your mind is becoming calm. Your breathing is becoming normal and comfortable. Along with this, we give certain suggestions and commands because of which the person slowly starts entering a relaxed state. This is a completely practical process. So in upcoming episodes, we will also see a live demonstration of it. Now, where is focus induction used? Focus induction is not used only in stage hypnosis or therapy, but it can also be seen in many spiritual programs, motivational sessions, and some organizations. There, people are asked to sit in one place and focus on one object or light or a person in front of them. Slowly, soft background music continues to play. People keep looking in the same direction and their attention gradually shifts away from the outside world towards their inner experience. In this state, speakers start giving ideas, messages, and instructions. For example, you have to follow our rules, you have to take this mission forward, and you must spread this message to other people as well. When a person repeatedly listens to the same things while continuously maintaining focus, the impact of suggestions become deeper and stronger. That is why the combination of focus and suggestion is considered very powerful. The power of suggestion and imagination. In many programs, people are guided to feel different sensations. For example, now energy is moving upward inside your body, your hands are becoming lighter, and you are feeling coolness or warmth inside your body. If the person in a relaxed and focused state, they may begin to experience this suggestion as if they are real experiences. That is why the right words and the right presentation create a very deep effect. Now, stage and practical use. Today, the technique we will use will include a combination of focus induction and light muscle relaxation. We will not do full progressive muscle relaxation. Instead, we will relax only the major parts of the body, such as shoulder, hands, and back. This method is commonly used in stage programs and demonstration because it helps the people to enter a relaxed state quickly. Now, the next step, deepening. What is deepening? When a person reaches the initially relaxed state, also called the alpha state, the process of taking them into an even deeper state is called deepening. The purpose of deepening is to guide the person into a more calm, focused, and deeply relaxed state. Deepeners are mainly of two types. First, verbal deepener. Second, physical deepener. Verbal deepener. In verbal deepener, first, counting deepener. This is the one of the most common and effective methods. In this method, we slowly count numbers and describe deeper relaxation with every number. For example, now I will count from 10 to 1, and with every count you will feel more and more relaxed, and you will go deeper and deeper. 10. Your body is becoming loose and relaxed. 9. Every sound around you is helping you relax even more. 8. Your mind is becoming calmer and quieter. 7. 6. 5. With every breath, your body is feeling lighter and more relaxed. 4. 3. Now you are in a deeply relaxed state. 2. 1. Completely calm. By practicing this kind of scripts repeatedly, both your voice and presentation become more powerful. Second point, metaphor deepeners. In metaphors, different ideas and images are connected together. In this technique, we use the power of imagination. For example, imagine that there is a staircase in front of you with 20 steps going down into a basement, and with every step you are going deeper and deeper. First step, relax. Second step, going deeper. Third step, your mind is becoming calmer and calmer. Here the metaphor is the staircase. In the same way, you can also use the imagination of lift, tunnel, clouds, or any peaceful place. The main purpose is to help the person to feel that they are slowly moving into a safe and peaceful state. Third, safe place imagination. In this technique, the person is asked to imagine a place where they feel the safest and most relaxed. For example, imagine yourself standing on a beautiful sea beach. A cool, gently breeze is blowing. The sound of the ocean waves is relaxing you even more. Or you can create an imaginary place yourself. You are in a beautiful garden. There is a greenery all around, colorful flowers everywhere, a cool gentle breeze is flowing, and you feel completely safe, calm and peaceful. This technique is very effective because it connects both imagination and emotions. Now let us talk about physical deepeners. In this technique, light touch, body movement and physical signals are used. First, shoulder tap deepener. For example, whenever I lightly touch your shoulder, you will feel even more relaxed and you will go deeper and deeper. Then, while softly tapping the shoulder, relax, deep sleep, going deeper. Second, hand drop technique. In this method, person hands is gently lifted and then slowly released downward, and your hand moves down. Your relaxation will double. While releasing the hand, relax deeper, deeper. Third, gentle body movement. Some people also deepen relaxation by gently moving the shoulder forward and backward, or by giving the light body movements. With every movement of your body, you are feeling calmer and calmer. Your mind is becoming completely relaxed. This technique creates a very natural and soothing feeling, similar to the way a child is gently comforted and relaxed. If you continuously use too many deepener, the person may become overly inactive or sleepy. That is why it is important to choose the right technique according to the situation. This is where your creativity and observation skills become important. That is all for today. In the next episode, we will understand suggestions and commands in detail. Thank you for watching.